Alright guys, here I'm back again. This is a 06 Mercury Mountaineer. 06 Mercury Mountaineer should be the same for Explorer. Around that time, 06 to 010, I think should be kind of the same. I had a little issue. I broke my mirror. As you can see, I bought one on eBay for 90 bucks. Used, came from Minnesota or somewhere. Don't buy a new for 200 and something. It's not worth it. Just buy it used. Make sure it's a good rate seller. Very easy to change. Just don't take it to any dealer or anything. They're gonna stick you the knife for a lot of money. So you see all these clips in here. Gonna make it very simple. This is not difficult at all. It's a Ford car. Fords are like playing Lego. Just take it apart, put it back together, tie the bolts, and you're good to go. To get this off, there's a panel right in the front here. You have to hook it in. Right now it's hooked in the hooks I showed you before. There's a small door handle panel right here that goes to the front. You can just unclip it. You see the little clips that go right in there. Alright, so this comes off. You can just take it off with your hands, or if you have a tool to pry it out, or as you prefer. Then there's a handle cover, which I put it somewhere here. You know, when you're just doing things. I decided to do this video just to help you guys out. I haven't seen that many videos on that. Also have the two little hooks right there, go in that hole, you put it back, take it out whenever you want. This is a Mercury, but as you can see, also produced by Ford. So the only wrenches you need, or tools, you will need a 7mm and on my drill I have the other one, which is the 11mm. 7mm, there are two bolts in here, one up here, one down there, if you can see in the back there. Then you have two bolts, one right here, and then you have two more, one down here and the other one down here. These are the 7mm bolts. And for the 11mm, which I'm working on right now, so the black bolts is the 7, the white bolts also are 7. They go on the door handle and door control panel. This, you don't have to unhook the cable that goes to that. It comes off like that. When you take this off, you kind of have to pry it from the top here so it comes off, and then you just pull it up so you get this hook out. You need to make some space. Here the cables, I don't take it off, I just unhook it right there. You see the hooks right down there. This too, they always have to hook into the holes afterwards. So what you do, open the door completely, hang it off there. I can leave it right there on top of the rubber. You see the rubber right there, just leave it there, it will stay. Don't worry about the cables, they're strong. You don't have to take this cable off, it's an easy job. I took this tool, you can warm it up a little bit. It's kind of a glue around here, which is really easy to get off. Take this little spatula here, you can just get it off right there. And then in here, I want this to fall off here. In here you have the 11mm bolts. There are 3 of them, plus the electric, the connector. So to get that off, I have a very impressive tool that's really useful if you drop any tool or anything. This magnet here, it's simple, bought at Walmart for a few dollars. You can even help it to unscrew if you have, you see, they come off. Oh, this is gold. I love this little tool. Well, I'll keep it like this right here now. I'll replace it and show the final product, put it back together. Very easy, just do the reverse process. And I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Thank you. Alright guys, since we're in the mirror, I changed that mirror successfully. You can see right there, it's back in place. It's actually working and turning. Wait, I didn't show you guys. I told you I was going to give you an update on that. Alright, let me show you that. Maybe my keys are in my pocket somewhere. Alright, this mirror is also special because under... before I continue, I'll show you right there. It's turning, up, down. Alright, successful. Perfect. Besides that, they have a wonderful little light when you come out of the car. It's called like a vanity light. It works, I guess. Alright, you see, turns on and off, vanity light. It goes off. Now, these ones are out. This is the driver's side. So what you do, there's a little hole in there. Just press in there, plug with your screwdriver, and you get it out. Easy as that. Turn it up, open, take off the bolt. Sorry about that. Take off this bolt. It's one of those small little ones. I don't know what it is. I just took it out from the mirror that was just broken. and I put it back in there. Since the other one's working, this one's not working, I replaced the new one, is working. And then you just look it in here.